Welcome back to our channel Laughing Time with S and H. Today we're having two special guests in our channel.
Hey guys, what's up? My name is Lasya.
My name is Anshu, and you may have seen them in Fun with Ellen.
Na bracelet, Chusavana bracelet. This is from Singapore, Singapore.
And she...
Gonna start it. Oh yeah, we should start. Today's video is all about science experiments.
And let's get
So in this experiment, we are testing if turmeric is a natural indicator or not. Let's see.
So, to do this experiment, firstly we are going to make turmeric paste, apply it onto a tissue, and then add a drop of soap onto the yellow paper. And what do we observe?
Now let's start with the experiment. So basically, we're gonna test if turmeric is a natural indicator or not.
So, to do this experiment, we are going to make turmeric paste, apply it onto a piece of tissue, and we are going to add some detergent to see what happens.
Yeah, if the turmeric paper becomes red or not. So firstly, let's take some turmeric.
No, this is detergent.
Anyway, yeah, so let's make the soap solution first of all.
Okay, first let's make the turmeric paste. It should not be so liquidy or so tight.
Like so hard.
Yeah. Let me have some more water.
Yeah.
So this is the consistency of the paste. Now let's make the detergent liquid.
Let's make the soap solution.
I added a little bit of water and let it dissolve.
So we made the soap solution. We just add. We need to add.
Not make the experiment messy. Let's wear on the aprons.
Yes. Let's move this.
Yeah.
So
Basically, now we are gonna apply this turmeric paste onto our tissue. Let's just add a small part to see whether it works.
yeah. Yeah. So
Now we added a bit of turmeric paste onto our tissue. Now let us add this detergent solutions drop onto it.
Oh wow!
Oh wow! That looks amazing, Lasya.
Let's do this experiment in another way too now. Now we are gonna remove this tissue, and then in this detergent solution, let's add a drop of our turmeric paste.
I got really shocked when the red.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
This is total success.
Yeah.
Total success.
Yeah.
Experiment success.
Experiment number two.
And is water versus
Salt water experiment. So basically, first let's fill the both glasses with water.
Yeah.
Hope this is enough.
Yeah. So our next bottle. Oh, I never.
Yeah, it's enough. In one glass, we are gonna add some salt. You can add the white common salt, but we here don't have the white salt, so we are adding the pink salt.
So let's mix it.
Yeah, dissolve it, okay?
Yeah, that's enough.
Yeah. Let me mix it. Why are you keeping this one upside down?
Nothing happens.
Hope the salt is dissolved. No, it's not.
It doesn't need to be fully dissolved.
It needs to be. The water is changing to pink color.
Because this is pink salt, of course.
But this is not the experiment.
But who cares?
Yeah.
Gonna add food coloring. Actually, we don't have food coloring, so let's
we're
add
using
paint.
Your bottle no need to change. You need not need to change into pink color. It's okay.
Oh shit.
Now let's just. What happened to this paint?
This.
It's going in there. See the paint, it's coming up.
Is some going up? Some is going up at least.
See? Like how in the drops format it went inside. Now let's add the same color into the normal one. Oh my god, look at that thing. Oh, it's so beautiful.
Sachin. So
See in the normal water, the completely the color
it
dissolved.
has dissolved and formed color, but see here it is like some white and plus some drops were floating before up.
Yeah. Now they went down.
Yeah.
After we mix it
After
for a
some
long time, then it's gonna.
Then it's gonna turn red.
See
some.
We're gonna mix it completely.
So this experiment is like 50-50.
Yeah, it's not a complete success.
It's like 50-50.
So guys, thank you for watching. Bye bye. Also subscribe to my channel.
Subscribe to Laughing Tummy also. Bye.
Bye.